Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a very basic hand sanitizer, since it's become a hot commodity and it's pretty difficult to find these days. So I'm going to show you how you can make your own very simply using two ingredients: rubbing alcohol and aloe vera gel. Now you want to keep the alcohol level as high as possible. I'm using a 96% rubbing alcohol, and I've got After Sun, aloe vera based After Sun, because it's what I have. All of these ingredients you're pretty much going to be able to find quite easily at home. I'm in my van right now, and my hand sanitizer ran out and I was unable to find any in any shops, so that's why I'm going to make my own. And I'm going to use a small jar, small bottle that I have from an old travel sets, you know, those typical travel bottle sets. Now the ratio you want to keep is 2/3 alcohol. That's going to be 2/3 rubbing alcohol with 1/3 aloe vera gel. If you can use fresh aloe vera, then better, blended and everything else. If it's 100% aloe vera gel, then that's fine, but you want to keep 2/3 alcohol to 1/3 whatever other ingredient you're going to be using. I will leave down below in the description box a list of everything that I'm using, along with links to where you can find other items, other information as well, along with another couple of recipes that I think is pretty easy to make as well. So be sure to check that out, and let's make this one here. So as we said, it's going to be 1/3 aloe vera gel and 2/3 alcohol. I'm just going to pump it straight into the bottle. Here, that's about yay much, and then we're going to add 2 times the amount in alcohol, about yay much. Might add a little bit more alcohol afterwards, and then I'm just going to shake it up. Once it settles, it will be a nice little color. At the moment it's full of bubbles, but pour a little bit in your hands. Be sure to get all the fingers, get underneath your nails, in between all the cracks, and the wrists as well. And yeah, obviously this is not going to be a substitute to washing your hands properly, but it's certainly going to get me by, and it will get you by in a pinch as well. So that's it, very simple, how to make your own hand sanitizer. If it's been useful of information, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.